Are your personal values and philosophy on money aligned with the value system of money itself? Yes, you need to treat money like a person with its own value system. You got to learn this first if you want money to flow to you in abundance. The short form for the 4 points today is SPAM. Coin, spam. S stands for system. Do you have a structured system to farm it and store it? My decades-long experience as a licensed financial advisor allows me to see this. People who find themselves struggling with money oftentimes have no structure to bring money into their lives. A better way is strategize a plan, then only put in the investment vehicles in appropriate allocations. Next, P stands for priority. Where does money fall in the importance of your life? And how much importance you place on the activities that bring in money into your life. A stands for appreciation. Not worshipping money on the pedestal, but is there a general feeling of gratitude for the money that you have today? When things are being appreciated, what is the outcome? They grow, they thrive. M stands for movement. Money likes movement. Money does not like to stagnate, it likes to flow. Say you stay stagnant in your job or business, you do not innovate, you do not upskill, or you do not improve the way you work or do business. What happens? Money leave you or come to you in lesser and lesser quantities. Money don't like you when you are dead, even not literally dead. But like this, a zombie. Many people are like that, agree? That also explains why you go and invest and you don't monitor your investment or hire a professional to manage it. You will end up losing a lot of money because you are being stagnant, you are being complacent. You sitting on your ass thought investment is a one-time thing, you just set it and then just forget it. The fact is, investment is nothing but a reflection of the business and economy. Do business and economy changes? When business and economy changes, so does the need to realign and restructure your investment. God damn it. Money want to flow from one system to another system where it gets prioritized higher and appreciated more. We call that investment. That's why we use investment to store the value of money, right? What are the types of investment to choose from so it aligns with your personal values? Watch this to find out. And these 5 investing lies that needs to die.